In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow people who have your email address to find you on x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a useful privacy and a discoverability setting if you want people who already know your email to be able to connect with you more easily on the platform. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media guides. Let's jump right into it. First, open x.com and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left side of the screen, click More in the navigation bar. This opens up additional account options and settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account controls, including privacy, security, and discoverability options. Next, click Privacy and Safety. Once you're inside that menu, look for Discoverability and Contacts and click it. This section controls how other people can find your account using things like your email address or phone number. Now, you'll see an option that says, let people who have your email address find you on X. Simply toggle that setting on. As soon as you enable it, people who already have your email address may be able to discover your profile on X more easily. And that's it. The setting is now turned on. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference if you want to be more discoverable to contacts you already know. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick X and Twitter tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.